In this video I'm going to show you how to use containers and columns to give your WordPress pages structure. Now I'm using the Avada theme, which is a premium WordPress theme that I purchased from Theme Forest. This comes with an in-page builder called the Fusion Page Builder. Now if you're using a premium theme, any good theme will come with some sort of page builder, and they mostly are almost identical, if not extremely similar. If you are using a free WordPress theme, then check out my free WordPress theme videos on how to create structure for your pages. Okay, so the first thing to make sure is that you have your page builder selected. So I'm going to click on Fusion Page Builder. This now brings up a number of options as shown here. Now for giving your page structure, we use the column options. Now WordPress uses columns to basically situate your content in specific areas of the page. We can use these to help us build our layouts. So with the Fusion Builder, we first start with a full width container. Now you can click and drag to your chosen location, or you can simply just click and it will put it at the bottom most point of the page. So if you have content already, it will simply put it underneath. So I clicked and dragged. Okay, so now we want to put in a column. Now it gives you different column options depending on how you would like your content to show. So in this case, I'm going to make my content with some text on the left hand side and then an image or video on the right hand side. I'm imagining that I would like my text to maybe take up 1/3 of the page on the left side and the remaining content the 2/3 on the right. Therefore, I'm going to click and drag on the 1/3 and place it inside the full width container. Now for some reason it's actually saying 1/4, but no problem. To adjust these, you can press the plus arrow to increase the width to 1/3 or 2/5, whatever you would like, up to 1, which is the whole width, and it goes down to a minimum of 1/6. So we wanted 1/3, and then for the remaining area here we're going to use a 2/3 container, and that's it. To continue building your page, you can either add content within a container, such as if we wanted a full width section, or you can create another container underneath and add different kinds of layouts. You might want 1/2 and 1/2. Now with Avada it's handy because there's a clone option, so if you click this it will simply duplicate the box, which can be faster. Why am I using a full width container? Well, there's a number of options within the full width container that are helpful for you to control your content, particularly if you wanted to add a background, say for this section. You can click on the edit icon and it will bring up a number of options. So we could choose background from here and then add an image or even a color. We can also choose some padding settings, so if we wanted specific gaps at the top, bottom, or all the way around our content. So those are some things for you to explore, but that's the basic way that you begin to add structure to your page. You'll then put inside elements such as text or images simply by choosing them from here and dragging them in, which I'll show you in later videos.